Welcome to the bAwear Advanced Demo, where we unveil the power of swift insights into the environmental impact of textile products. With sustainability taking center stage, the significance of measuring environmental impact has never been greater. Whether you are a sustainability expert or new to environmental impact assessments, our tool caters to all levels of expertise. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards sustainable decision-making? Let's dive in. Imagine having to identify environmental impact hotspots of multiple textile products swiftly. That's where our bulk upload feature swoops in to save the day. With just a click, download the template and effortlessly fill in the details. If you have any question, do not hesitate to reach out to us. But wait, you can also kickstart your calculation without uploading. Our tool covers every step of the textile supply chain, from product composition, yarn production, fabric production, manufacturing, production locations, distribution, and use to end-of-life considerations. Navigating through each section is a breeze, thanks to the little question mark icons which offer guidance. First up, tell us about your product. Assign it a unique identification number for easy tracking in your results report. And if you need to distinguish similar products internally, feel free to add a group ID and description. We calculate results per kilogram, so tell us the weight of your product. Then, choose your product category which relates closest to your product. We've got you covered whether it's fashion, workwear, or home textiles. For this demo, let's calculate the environmental impact of a men's polo. Pick from a variety of predefined products as a benchmark. These have been created using the worst-case data, but you can add your data in the next sections to get a more customized environmental impact assessment. Step 2. Here you specify the material composition. With over 30 options to choose from and more on the way, select up to 5 fibers used in your product. If cotton and viscose are sourced from multiple locations, multiple entries need to be added. Now on to step 3, yarn selection. Specify the yarn numbers and percentages. Our tool can automatically recalculate any values to NE. You can add up to 5 different yarns used in the textile product. Worried about missing data? Don't sweat it. Our intelligent tool can fill in the gaps with worst-case secondary data. Then, specify the spinning methods for those yarns. Step 4 brings us to fabric construction. Choose your fabric type and indicate the finishing and coloring methods. Unsure? Leave it to us. The unknown fields can be left blank. Our intelligent tool can fill in the gaps with worst-case secondary data. Halfway there. Step 5, cutting waste. Tell us how much waste is generated. Plus, what is done with this cutting waste? Is it recycled, landfilled, or incinerated? Also, indicate the 2 finishing treatments. Once that is done, select the amount of renewable electrical energy used, be it solar, hydro, or wind for spinning, weaving, knitting, finishing, and manufacturing. Almost there. Specify the locations of each process, from spinning, weaving, knitting, finishing, manufacturing took place, and distribution. And speaking of distribution, tell us how your raw materials were transported from the field to the final destination. The distance relates to the distance from the factory where the product is finished to the warehouse in the country where the product is sold. Need help? Click here to calculate distances. But wait, there's more. Want to explore cradle-to-grave calculations? You can delve into use phase and end-of-life scenarios. If you have not skipped, here you can pick from one of the 3 options for use phase. The options displayed on the next screen will depend on your selection. You can either choose to skip, or here you specify if the product at its end of life is reused, recycled, incinerated, or landfilled. This brings us to a page which shows the overview of your product. A quick check here. You can quickly check your input, start calculating. bAwear score is a result of a streamlined LCA calculated using the RIS-IP 2016 methodology. See how your product scores on carbon dioxide equivalents, fossil energy, water use, and land use, with visual representations and real-time updates. The specification table gives you a breakdown of the impact assessment per life cycle for 1 kilogram of the textile product. Simply download your report to share with your colleagues or customers and use your newly gained insights to convince, communicate, and support your decision-making. Download your report or access it on the dashboard. And if PDFs aren't your style, no worries. Export your data as an Excel sheet. We also provide custom-made reports through Power BI visualizations. With bAwear Advanced, environmental impact calculations are at your fingertips. Sign up today for a trial or schedule a personalized demonstration. Do you have any questions? Contact us at support@bAwear.eu. Let's make informed decisions one calculation at a time.